friends, I hope you're all doing great, and I really hope you're taking care of yourself and you're staying safe in these times. Well, if we are going to be stuck at home, why don't we bake something delicious? Today we are baking a vegan carrot cake. I hope you're ready for that. Let's get started. If you're a subscriber, welcome back to this channel. If you're just passing by, I hope you stop by hungry. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment on my videos, and let's be YouTube friends. Here's what you will need. 2 cups of shredded carrot, 2 cups of unbleached flour, all-purpose flour will work as well, 1 cup and 1/3 of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of flaxseed, half a cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1 serving of unsweetened applesauce, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons and half of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon orange zest, 3/4 cups of coconut oil, and some water. So we're going to blend the flaxseed into a meal and mix with some water, and that is going to be our egg replacer. Let's get started. So mix this with about 6 to 7 tablespoons of water and let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's mix all the dry ingredients together. So all the dry ingredients, including the sugar, are here mixed together. Now go ahead and stir in the flaxseed meal that we made. I left this for about 6 minutes, and you should have something like this. If it's too thick, you can add some water if you want. So this goes in there, mix properly, and we'll stir in the next ingredient. Now we stir in the oil, mix for a little bit, and then stir in your unsweetened applesauce. At this point, we will stir in the lemon juice as well as the orange zest and mix them together. I'm going to stir in the carrots and shredded coconut. The last step is to add your chopped pecans. So line the bottom of the pan with some parchment paper, and I'm using an 8x8 pan, and dump your mixture into it. In a preheated oven, bake this for about 50 minutes. I'll see you when it's done. It's been 50 minutes and the cake is ready. I have let it sit and cool for about 30 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pop it out of the baking pan. Know my favorite thing about cooking? When I get to taste. Let's give this a try. It's really moist and soft. Can you see it? I'm no vegan, but I love this recipe. You know, I do a lot of vegan cooking because I want to test to see, because in the future, I'm thinking of being a vegan. I think this cake won me over. Please give this cake a try. It could be a fun thing that you could do with your kids at home and enjoy something delicious. Enjoy. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and let's be YouTube friends. Thank you.